Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI MS15KL. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you've noticed that some keys on your MSI MS15KL don't respond, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can occur due to dust, debris, or even a faulty keyboard connection. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making it harder to use your laptop effectively. To resolve this, we'll need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, a pair of tweezers, and of course, a replacement keyboard compatible with the MSI MS15KL. First, ensure your laptop is powered off. Then, carefully flip the device over to access the screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove all the screws, keeping them in a safe place so you don't lose any. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the plastic spudger. Take your time with this, as rushing can lead to damage. With the back cover removed, locate the keyboard connector. This is typically a flat ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently detach the connector by lifting the retaining flap. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, you need to remove the faulty keyboard. Look for any additional screws securing it in place, and remove these as well. Carefully lift the keyboard from the chassis, being mindful of any clips that may be holding it down. Once it's free, take your new keyboard and align it in the same position as the old one. Press down gently until it clicks into place. Reconnect the keyboard connector to the motherboard, ensuring it's securely fastened. Now, you can replace the back cover by aligning it properly and pressing down to snap it into place. Finally, reinsert all the screws you removed earlier and tighten them gently to secure everything back together. To ensure your repair was successful, power on your laptop and test the keys. If they respond as expected, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from recurring, it's a good idea to regularly clean your keyboard and avoid eating or drinking near your laptop. Keeping your device in a dust-free environment can also help prolong its life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.